Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video of how I make my bulletproof coffee. So this is like I'm on a keto diet, like a more extreme form of keto, which is carnivore. And pretty much all the stuff is carnivore except for maybe the coconut MCT oil. But coconut is like the meat of the nut family. And I do use some sugar-free vanilla syrup. There's no calories. It uses, what does it use? Sucralose. So it's not really adding any calories, but it does make it taste a little better. But those are not really needed. I do use heavy whipping cream. So there's a lot of fat in there. And 1 gram of carb per tablespoon. So I pretty much only use about 1 tablespoon. I just pour, let me see if I can eyeball it. I just pour a little bit until it covers the bottom. Just a little dab will do ya. And then this is really not a needed step, but I do a little frother. If I could do this while I'm holding the camera. Just kind of froth up the milk. Frothy. And then about a half tablespoon of butter is all I use. Just a little sliver. Put that in there. And of course, brew your coffee up first today. I'm having some Holler Mountain by Stumptown, which you got at Target. So just do a little squirt MCT oil. And let's see if I could do this. 1 squirt. Just 1 little squirt of that Torani. Is that how you say it? And then an egg. Let's see if I can crack an egg and do this one-handed. Blook. There's an egg. So there we go. That's the bottom. And then you add coffee. And here I just fill it up to about right there. And you could use like a regular blender, pour all this in a regular blender, but you do need to mix it up because that butter's in there. But I use this little, what is it, Proctor Silex, just like a little in 1 cup blender. You just want to like blend up that butter and the egg. All nice and good. I usually do it for about like 30 seconds to get it really emulsified. There we go. I'll rinse that off in a second. And then I top it off. And voila! There is my bulletproof coffee. And it is very delicious. You should try it. Don't knock it till you try it. I told my mom about it. She said, "That's disgusting." Try it. Try it, Mom. It's delicious. All right, guys. Let me know if you try it, what you think it tastes like. I think it's very rich and creamy. And I wouldn't recommend drinking your coffee like this unless you are on a keto diet, because that is a lot of fat. That if you are like eating a lot of carbs, this is just gonna add to weight gain. But if you are fat adapted and you're in ketosis, like you're burning fat for fuel, then this is just more fuel. And I usually just drink a cup of this in the morning and it keeps me going until like the afternoon. So I think it's really good. All right, I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.